G'day guys, just a quick MI update for today. Going to look at NAS and gold. Didn't take any trades during London session myself, guys. I was only on the charts for pretty much the London Open, and that was about it. Didn't see anything, so decided to call quits after that. But without further ado, let's have a look at NAS to begin with. As we can see, the analysis into London, there's not much has changed, to be honest. It's just been consolidating. But what I can see right now is with NAS, there's absolutely no volume. Not only that, we're right in the middle of this range right now between what was the previous resistance on the 4 hours. Also, we've got the support. You could draw that in at this point here. Change it to gray. What we can see is we're pretty much kind of close to the support, but kind of in the middle at the same time of this range. Really no man's land, in my opinion, on NAS at the moment. So having said that, what I would really prefer to see is price once again, if it does pull back down to 17,480 towards the current daily candles low, we pull down, even break below it and start pop back above that 17,485 sort of region and form a bit of support back above it, come towards NYSE open. It could be that time of day, that type of scenario. Then I would consider looking for potential buys back above this support around that 17,481.95 to be exact. So I'll be putting buys above that point there. Now, the other option is obviously to sell the resistance. So if it does pop up, I'll just be looking for rejection in that 4 hour zone yet again. So if it pulls up a bit further, that's all right. What we're going to wait for is a bit of a pullback, lower high, lower low. That type of scenario starts to reject and pop back below the 4 hour zone, gray zone, and look for potential entries from higher up. That's just a quick update on NAS. I mean, there is pretty clean traffic ahead though. If it begins to pop above 17,558, I feel you could get some good buy options at that point too, guys, because we do have some clean traffic above that level. At least that point there is likely volume would have come into play to push it to that level. Look at the news, what's making news today. Today is Thursday, and we've got some high impact news. We've got GDP, SGP, and unemployment claims, so be wary of that. Obviously, you are trading NAS and even gold and any USD pair for that matter. So now let's look at gold just quickly. Same analysis applies as to London session, guys. Still not pulled back to around that 2019-20 sort of level. I really would prefer to see price pull back to that level, reject and look for potential sells. The other option, which I forgot to mention during London session, was if we begin to pop above that 4 hour support and maybe even consolidate and perhaps come close to NYSE open, even start to break above that consolidation, that could be an option to potentially look to buy it back above that 2021.60 sort of level. I would entertain those sort of buys. Aside from that, look for rejections 2019, 2020, and look for sellers once you get your right catalyst, right confirmations, take a sell back down upon a rejection of that level. Further sells still apply below the current daily candles low. And if we do just now range, if we consolidate, we'll just play within this range is what I'm trying to say, guys. Sorry, eventually spit out. I'll be looking for price to pop back down towards that support 2012.70, and if we do form a support above that 2012 level, once again, just be looking for my calcium price action buy back up. That point there, you're respecting still the previous daily candles low. So if we come back down, retest our own low, grab a little bit more liquidity, but respect the low of the previous daily candle, form a support, and head back up. And that could also be an option to look for those buys around that 2012 and just a little bit higher up. That's what I'll be looking at on gold, guys. Hope it makes sense. Just a quick one today. Please remember to hit like button. Do leave a comment. If you want me to analyze a different pair moving forward, let me know, guys. Leave it in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow for London session. There won't be an MI update tomorrow. Until then, guys, trade safe, trade smart. Bye for now.